Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this series of video, we will see how to find server container ID in your Google Tag Manager account. And along with that, we will also see how to find the container config URL. You just need to log into your Google Tag Manager account, and for that you can simply type in tagmanager.google.com and you'll be logged into your account. On top of the account here, you will see ID, which is GTM dash following by some alphanumerical numbers. That is your server container ID. So you can simply copy it and paste it if you are doing the plugin setup or app setup in your respective stores. Now let's move further and see how to find the container config ID. So click on admin, container settings, and click on setup your tagging server button here. Go for the second option, that is manually provision tagging server, and you will see container config URL here. So simply copy it and paste it if you're doing the product setup. Thank you for watching and subscribe to this channel for more updates.